Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Residential Solar Power. Ready to harness the power of the sun for your home? Residential solar power is becoming more accessible and beneficial than ever before. This guide will walk you through the essentials. Imagine generating your own clean electricity right from your rooftop, lowering your bills and helping the planet. That's the power of residential solar. We'll cover how solar panels work, the financial and environmental benefits, and a simple overview of the installation process. First, let's look at the basic science. How exactly do these panels turn sunlight into usable power? The core principle is the photovoltaic effect. Simply put, solar cells capture photons from sunlight, which then knock electrons loose to create an electric current. Think of it as a clean power stream. The key components are the panels and the inverter. Panels capture the sun's energy, and the inverter converts that raw DC electricity into AC electricity, which is what your home appliances use. Now, let's talk about the money. The financial benefits of going solar are often the most immediate motivation for homeowners. The most obvious benefit is reducing or eliminating your monthly electricity bills. Imagine the savings when the sun powers most of your home. With net metering, when your panels generate more power than you use, the excess is sent back to the grid, and you get credits, potentially turning your meter backwards. Installing solar panels can significantly increase your home's value, making it an attractive feature for potential buyers. Beyond saving money, you're investing in a greener future. The environmental impact of solar power is substantial. By using solar, you directly reduce your carbon footprint and lessen reliance on polluting fossil fuels, contributing to cleaner air and water. Solar power is a truly clean, renewable energy source, meaning the fuel, sunlight, will never run out, making it the definition of sustainable energy. What does the installation actually involve? It's generally a straightforward process broken down into three main phases. The process begins with an initial assessment, including a site survey to determine your roof's suitability and an analysis of your current energy needs. Next is the permitting and design phase, where engineers design your custom system and obtain necessary local permits before construction can begin. Finally, the physical installation of the panels and the inverter takes place, followed by a local inspection and utility activation, so you can officially start generating power. Residential solar power is a smart investment that benefits your wallet and the environment. Remember, solar panels harness the sun via the PV effect. They save you money through reduced bills and net metering, and the installation is a clear, step-by-step process. If you're ready to start your solar journey, contact a local solar provider for a free consultation and personalized quote. Thanks for watching.